Hey guys, quick review of the QA1 Level 2 Pro Touring suspension setup for a GMA body. This is 67 Chevelle, but I'm sure it fits lots of other applications. That there that we're looking at, that's the adjustable frame brace. Things were pretty easy install. I got an installation video. Go ahead and check that out. Not much adjusting there. I think it's just meant for frame twists, so you just tighten them up. And then moving around here, we got the rear sway bar. I believe it's a 1-inch. Another great product. Everything worked out great. Did have to fab up some brackets to make it work with the lowering trailing arms that I had, because they're round, not square. But either way, that was my problem for not getting some of the parts. So that's what you get when you don't buy the full package, because you think you already have some good aftermarket stuff. Everything doesn't work together. Keep that in mind. And then lastly, in the back here, we got the QA1. Let me adjust this light here. Lastly here, we got the QA1 double adjustable coilovers. It's hard to see the upper mount up there. Pretty easy install. Tough time figuring out the orientation. There could be a little better instructions on how that orientates, but either way, once I was in, it worked great. Got the double adjusters, the coilover. No, QA1 is pretty, they don't mess around when they put anti-seize on here, so that's why it looks so brown and dirty, because, well, I used copper anti-seize. And then, yeah, you got your adjusters, and this is pretty cool here. I mean, you can flip these over and get a little different height out of that there. And then as you can see, I'm on the lowest setting. And then I can bring these up 2 holes to adjust it, you know, for ride height. And means you're not just cranking up and down your spring all the time. So, you know, QA1 has a video, you know, showing, you know, about where you want your shock to sit at in the stroke. You know, so you're not too close to bottoming out, and you're not too close to hitting the top either. So it's nice that they've updated this and added that for adjustment there, you know, so you don't have to do it all right here, because sure, it's doable, but if you want extreme low, extreme high, you know, you're going to be riding that where you're hitting your stops either way. So either way, there's that. Install was pretty cut and dry, and everything worked great like it always does. If you got any questions, throw a comment down below, and yeah, I'll have a video on the front suspension review as well. So, and then once summer hits, we'll get this baby out on the road and take some videos showing you how it handles. So like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.